You know what's what? What I did is I put in $20 in this game. Once again, I'm hitting at my my low lines. 20 lines instead of the 40. And max bet those 20 lines. So we got a bonus again. I put in 20 bucks. I got all the way up to $54 on $1 a spin. Once again, guys, you've seen that in my other live stream. So let's see what we can do on this bonus. Get it. 5 spins, max bet with 20 lines. Do it. Oh my God, nice hit. $9. Come on, bring it. Super loud in here tonight. Maybe that's a good thing, I don't know. Spin 2. Each spin's a win. Come on, Wilds. I don't know if I've ever seen a retrigger in this game either. More Wilds, yes? If it would have lined up there, it would have been epic. But still, we're doing pretty good. Last spin. And a little bit of something. It gets me is $70. That is awesome. That is really, really awesome. You know what? I'll have to take that. Let's cash that out. And I'm going to move on a machine right beside me. I'll just keep on recording here. We'll do a 2-for-1. And what we'll try is, let's hit, let's hit up, let's go wildlife, max bet, see what we get here. Woo, God, they're good and loud here, love it. Alright, $2.50 a spin, max bet. Let's see if we can catch that elusive bonus to give me the 3 wild reels. Come on, bring it. Jacks for money back. Come on, do it. Oh, no. Do it. Bring it. Oh, it was right up there, guys. Damn. That was a close one. That was a close one. Last spin, last spin. And that is last spin. But you know what we'll do? We'll take that 70 that I got. Let's pop that back in there. We'll give a few more spins. See if we can't catch something. And we'll pull her out at 60. That's what we'll do here. See if we can't get something. Come on, wildlife, let's do it. Kings for 5. Come on, wildlife, let's go. You know how tough this game is, guys. Down to my last spin. That's $10. We'll take that. And last attempt. Oh my God. Like I said, we'll play to 60. Come on. That was so close. I thought that was going to hit, guys. Last spin. Max bet. And that is it. I'm taking that 60. That was her, guys. See you later. Thank you for watching, guys, and please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.